Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about a jQuery function called as Hasclass. The Hasclass function is used to determine if any HTML element has a particular class associated with it. The class here I'm talking about is the CSS class. So let us take a quick example. If I have this HTML document and I've named it as hasclass.html, and I add an HTML element, for example, a paragraph. Paragraph is denoted by the P and the /P tag. And inside that, if I write some kind of text, for example, this is a paragraph. Okay, and I run this file in the browser. What I will see is a paragraph that is black in color, styled in default. If I give a style to it, all I need to do is add a class. Let's say my style. Okay, and inside the head section of the HTML document, I'm going to add the style tag. The style tag denotes the CSS style that I'm going to write inside it. It starts with the style tag and ends with the /style. So here I'm going to give some values and attributes to the my style class. To do that, I'm going to use a dot and then type in the style, my style, and curly braces, and inside that curly brace I'm going to give, let's say, color as red. Now this text of the paragraph will have the color as red. Let's check it out in the browser. You can see this is a paragraph. Now I can give one more class here, for example my another style, and add the class here also, curly braces, and in this let's give it a background color of blue. Let us see how it works now. So as you can see, this is a red colored text and behind that is a blue background. So if I am running some kind of code and I want to check the paragraphs in the whole document, let's say there are 3 to 4 paragraphs, and I want to check which of them have the class my style. How do I do it with jQuery? For example, if I want to change the color of this paragraph only when the my style CSS tag has been attached to it. To that, I'm going to use jQuery. Now to go to jQuery, all you need to do is type in jQuery Google CDN and you will go to the Google hosted libraries. Once you click on it, you will find the jQuery link over here. Just click on this link and then you will find the jQuery section and pick this line up, script src and blah blah. Just copy it and place it into your head section below or above the style tag, like this. Now the jQuery has been included. So when you run this program, make sure that you are connected to the internet, because it will need to access the jQuery library from the Google APIs. Now how do I find if this paragraph has the class my style? To do that, I'll have to write the jQuery code inside the body. Anywhere in the body, I can start with a tag called as script and end it with a tag called as /script. That means the JavaScript code will go inside this tag, and I'm going to put in the jQuery code. So to start with, I'm going to use the identifier for jQuery called as $, and it takes a parameter called as a document, which is your complete web page. And when the document is ready, it will call a function which will have a body, and I'll just close this statement. This is a basic statement of jQuery. and inside that function all I need to do is to determine whether this paragraph has the uh, class my style. So I'm going to search for the paragraph tag, which is the p enclosed in the two double quotes, and dot, and call the function call as Hasclass, and pass in the parameter my style. Now Hasclass returns a value either in true or false, so I have to use a conditional statement to check it out. So I'll use a if and then equal to true, then alert the class is present, for example. I'll just close it, and when I run it I should see this alert because this paragraph in here has the class that I am looking for. So if I run this file in the browser once again, all I can see is the alert has come. So this indicates the has class functionality is working well. Now this is one way of using it. If I want to search for more than one class, I can just copy it like this and place it here. Let's check out what happens next in the browser. I'll just refresh it. Yet again we have got the alert, which shows that whatever classes we are searching for are in this. So you can either search for a single class, as you can see in the documentation of as class. You can search for the single class, or you can search for the multiple classes. So if you ask me what is the purpose of this function and why would I like to use it, is because if you are creating a complex project which needs some kind of dynamic manipulation of your web page, you might sometime need to know the class value so that you can attach another class, or you can do some logic like show an alert or something like that. Then at that time, if you want to know whether that element has the class that you're looking for, then you can go ahead and work on some logic. For example, add some variable and do some subsequent processing. So has class is a very handy function. You can utilize it to determine whether the class is present for an HTML, any HTML element inside the body. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.